Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Something funny happened with Bitcoin today. The moment the inflation data dropped, Bitcoin's price action went wild. Inflation came in at 3% instead of the expected 2.9%, and the core inflation rate was 3.3% instead of 3.1%. Within 11 minutes, Bitcoin dumped from 96.5K to the lows of 94K. It took 2 hours to recover, and now we're sitting right at the gray resistance and support line at 97.5K. Next target, 100K. Looking at the heat map, today's dump cleared out all the liquidation leverage around 94.5K. There's still some left around 93.4K, but at this point, it's time to pump February up. The short leverage liquidity above 98.5K is waiting to get liquidated, with one of the biggest zones sitting around 100.1K. Checking Truflation, a real-time inflation tracker that pulls data from multiple sources like housing, energy, food, and transportation, we see a very different picture of inflation. Right now, it has the US inflation index at 2.07%. If the official numbers start aligning with this, the next CPI report on March 12th could show a significantly lower rate. That would increase the chances of the US Federal Reserve lowering interest rates, which could trigger another liquidity run for all assets, including Bitcoin. ETF data for today isn't out yet, but Arkham teased us with this tweet. Fidelity is selling, Grayscale is selling, Invesco is selling, but BlackRock just bought $50 million worth of Bitcoin. I also found something insanely bullish for this cycle. BitcoinCounterflow.com overlays different Bitcoin epochs on the current price action. Right now, Bitcoin is tracking the 2015 to 2018 cycle almost perfectly. If this continues, the projected peak would be on October 25th, 2025, at a price of $1.8 million. Even if it only follows the last cycle from 2018 to 2022, which had a double bubble top caused by FTX market manipulation, we'd still be looking at a peak of 300K in 2025. Let's keep an eye on this data and see where we are in October this year. I'll keep you updated. Join the free Discord for real-time trade insights. Smash the like button if this video added any value. Click subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.